speak about my career. Let me make it simple. It's in 4 phases. Number 1, as a Tibetan student and youth activist in India. Then came to Harvard and became a researcher after finishing my master's and doctorate degree. And then went back to Dharamsala as Sikyong for 10 years. And I've returned back to Harvard and reinvented myself as an academic and an expert. So I taught a class at Harvard Law School to the best and brightest students. It was challenging, but I succeeded primarily because I really did my research, did my homework, really prepared my class well. I presented around 70 to 100 slides of PowerPoint in the class, and then some of the students are organizers of today's event, and they will tell you how it went. I think it went quite well. And also I was at Vegas to speak on global crisis of water to International Women Leadership Forum of 700 some women leaders from 47 countries around the world, and at Halifax Security Forum, top leaders on security related issues, and recently in Tokyo, organized by Asia Society to 100 plus youth leaders from 21 countries on leadership. So in all these platforms, I was able to speak well, primarily because I did my research well. I prepared myself, primarily because I enjoy it, I like it. So in choosing your career, my simple advice is that choose what you like, what you enjoy, what you are passionate about, and it's something that challenges you and also pays you well, okay? You have to pay rent. So, in short, let me quote Albert Einstein, who said, genius is 1% luck, 99% hard work. We all have to work hard because we don't have family names that can get you jobs, like CEOs of companies. Their children get cushy jobs because they have family connections. Like me, all of you, we don't have plan B. And only plan we have is to work hard. Work hard, be good, be successful in whatever you do. That defines you as a good Tibetan. And you can contribute towards Tibetan freedom movement no matter what. As for me, when I applied to colleges, I did write that I was born a freedom fighter and I'll die a freedom fighter. That's how I think, that's how I prepare myself. And that has been so far okay. So wish you all the best. And finally, I asked ROPA to organize an online event for Tibetan youth and students in the whole of North America or all over the world on leadership or something, then I'm happy to come and contribute. With that, Tuji Che Dashitale.
Hi, thank you all so much for listening to the panel, and thank you to our panelists, of course, and also the video from Lobsang Sangila. So I'm going to get into